Now, obviously, another thing that would have happened in 1911, the transporter was actually opened in 1911. Did that make a big difference to people in Haverton?
Oh, blimey, aye. Well, I mean, you could go to Middlesbrough half the time, but you had to wait for the damn ferry coming from one side to the other, and he twisted it down in the middle of the river about 4 times before he got it landed. Old Duncan, the skipper. But I mean, he just used to run straight across, get them on, shut the gate, run straight back over. It was only a couple of minutes running across.
Were you there for the celebrations when it opened?
Well, we were down there when they opened the bridge, yeah.
How long did it actually take them to build it? You know, would you be watching the progress and saying?
Oh, it took them a long time to build it. And it took them a long time to dig the foundations out, I'll tell you that. Because all where the bendy is, that's where all the stuff was dumped, you know. All Milky Harrison with his horses and carts, he did all that contracting. Well,